Okay, we're using this Amazon tool to check for wheel bearings, and it's actually very good. I'm kind of impressed. I don't know if you see it. I got 4 bars and they all pretty much reading the same noise. So that means I put one of the cables in each fender outside the wheel. It should be on the inside, but I just put it with the tape on the outside, and we're driving it like 40 miles an hour, and they're all on the same levels, same noise pretty much. I have the rear tires, they kind of old and kind of bulky, so they are a little noisy, which is the 2 bars on the right and the 2 on the left. They are in the left front and the right front, but you know, long as all the lights stay on the same level, I think it's very good. I kind of impressed about this tool. I got someone make a comment before that he's saying that you know, just grab the wheel 12 and 6 and shake it. Well, that person don't do a lot of wheel bearings, because a lot of wheel bearings, they have no play and they make noise. So we do at least 1 wheel bearing every week, and sometimes I do the wrong bearing. But now with this little tool, it costs like $70. It's very nice, because if you cannot find it, put this thing on and you can definitely know which bearing makes the noise. It will turn on red. You know, the noise goes way up. But right now, all the noise from each wheel, see, I'm gonna stop, and all the bars, they go away. So I'm gonna show you. I wish this thing be wireless, but no, it's some crazy wires you gotta run all the way out. You have to put them close to the wheel bearing, but like I say, I just use masking tape and put the clamps in the fenders, and it picks up the noise very nice. So like you see, we're doing 40 miles an hour, and the cops is coming from someone, so I gotta pull over. Okay, bye. Okay, it's gone. So now let's do that again. Okay, so we're doing 40 miles an hour again, and you can see, you know, the road is not nice, but you can low down the frequency, just like the